Speak right, Africa.
Sounds. The letters you learned how to say and spell with also have sounds. Some of the names of the letters are also their sounds.
Lesson 2. The vowels O and R. Today we're going to dwell on the vowels O and R. The phoneme or sound O is a diphthong or two-quality sound. The time spent in uttering a diphthong makes it a long sound. In saying a two-quality sound, we glide from the first to the second sound, and we say the first sound so clearly that the sound next to it is faintly heard. Generally, if you divide the number of times by which diphthongs are said, 2/3 will be spent saying the first part of the sound. O is generally spelled with the following letters: O in go, so, no. OU in mode, so, do. OE in do, fo, ho. Away in boat, coat, goat. OW in show, no, low. It's also spelled with
EAU
in bow and OT in depot. The sound R, like O, is also a diphthong, a two-quality long sound. It's spelled with the following letters: OU in shout, cloud, stout. OW in how, now, cow. Now let's contrast the two sounds. Listen and repeat. O, ow, o, ow, o, ow. Can you think of words that contrast the sounds? Let's look at some more word examples. Load, loud. So, sow. Bow, bow. Drone, drown. Woe, wow. Float, flout. Clone, clown. Toad, tout. Crone, crown. Do you have some more examples?
I'm your speech coach, Chris Okwacher. Thanks for being part of this learning experience. Own it, use it.
Speak right, Africa.
Pronunciation tutor. In English pronunciation, note that some syllables are faint or quiet while others are loud. See how this plays out in the following words: front, full, fund, future, gain, spokesman, appointment, Gideon.
Speak right, Africa. Speak right, Africa.